Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Find the 12-word recovery phrase you wrote down when you set up Trust Wallet. This is the single key to restore accounts and tokens. If you used a password manager or encrypted cloud backup, search for files named Trust Wallet, Mnemonic, or Recovery and verify the 12-word sequence. Also check physical notes, USB drives, or a safe. Confirm the words are in the correct order. Do not share the recovery phrase with anyone or enter it on untrusted sites, because anyone with it can take all funds. Install Trust Wallet from the official App Store, open the app and choose Restore Wallet. Carefully type the 12-word recovery phrase in the original order with single spaces. After the phrase verifies, set a new 6-digit PIN or enable biometrics, and consider adding an optional passphrase to create an extended seed for extra security. Once restored, review your token list, re-add any missing custom tokens or networks by contract address, and confirm balances before interacting or sending funds. If you lost the 12-word phrase, immediately search device backups, secure notes, encrypted cloud storage, and any physical safes or safety deposit boxes where you might have written the phrase. Contact Trust Wallet support to confirm app behavior, transaction histories, and whether any in-app backups existed, but understand that support cannot recover or recreate your 12-word phrase for security reasons. As a last resort, evaluate professional forensic recovery services or hardware recovery specialists, but weigh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.